Hi guys, welcome to today's video where we're going to be looking at VLAN trunking. If you haven't already, go check out the first video for our introduction to VLANs. Looking at the topology today, we have two switches, 4 clients, so we have 2 sales clients, 2 accounting clients, which are in VLAN 200, VLAN 100 for sales. Now, in a real world environment, let's say this is in one building, this is in another building. How can we connect the 2 clients within their own department of sales and within accounting to communicate to each other? Just to show what I mean is we are on the sales 2 computer in a separate building, separate switch, and we want to talk to our friend here, 192.168.100.2, and let's see if this works. So we'll go for ping 192.168.100.2, and you can see the packet trying to transmit, and we should be timing out. There we go. So how can we go about resolving this issue, which is where VLAN trunking comes into play, which will help solve the problem at hand. So just some foundations. I have created both switches, the 4 clients, I've given them the IP address details below and assigned the VLANs to each interface as shown on the topology here. The configuration that we're going to do is to trunk this fast Ethernet 01 interface between the 2 switches and allow VLAN 100 and VLAN 200. Onto our switch, we want to go to Enable, Configure Terminal, Interface, Fast Ethernet 01. Now in the first video we did switch port mode access, which is for our clients, but from switch to switch we want to look at trunking, so we can go to switch port mode and we can see there trunk, and that will take it down and back up, and then we can also do switch port trunk question mark. By default, if you just leave it as switch port mode trunk, it will allow all VLANs. If you want to be more granular, you can do interface fast Ethernet 01, switch port trunk allowed VLAN 100, 200, which represents our VLANs here. So I'm now on switch 1, which is the switch we haven't configured, and you can see straight away it's received a spanning tree message that the fast Ethernet 01 on this side is non-trunking, VLAN 1, which is a default VLAN, inconsistent port type. This is because we haven't configured this end. I've gone ahead and replicated the same configuration on switch 0 onto switch 1 to allow VLANs 100 and 200 over this fast Ethernet 01. And a good way to verify that configuration is to hop on any switch. So we're on switch 1, and we can go show interfaces trunk, and this output shows that our port FA01, the mode's on, encapsulation is 2.1Q, status trunking with our native VLAN 100. And we can also see VLAN 100 and 200 are allowed on this trunk interface. We are now on our Sales 2 computer, which is over here. We've now allowed VLAN 100 and 200 over this medium, so let's go back and try to ping our friend over in Sales 1. And it works, which shows that our trunking mechanism, all of the configuration that we've done, is now successfully working. Thanks for watching guys, and if you have any questions, please do drop them below in the comments.